back to part 3 of me riding. Okay, so today, well, right now, I just got permission from my neighbor to go riding his property. So, you know, we're gonna go ripping over there. Okay, let's get straight into ripping. Now, we want that. So we're recording. Okay, we good. You good, homies? Added the clip. We gotta move the big stick out of the trail. Get it away. Like when I have the tripod and everything out, you know? Yeah, let's do a second gear start, screw it. folks, is only third gear. Just to give you an example of how good this thing freaking sounds. Sounds minty. Man, I love this thing. It sounds so good. Not really a fan of 4-strokes, but hey, here we are. I like 2-strokes, but hey, I got a 4-stroke Honda, so might as well use it. Like I'm doing too much, but hey, I'm doing a lot, my guy. This is just fun.